Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to create a perfect circle video in Premiere Pro, the only way you'll ever need. We'll start by applying an ellipse mask directly to your footage. Then, I'll guide you through refining the mask's shape and position to get that ideal circular crop. Finally, we'll explore adding a crisp border to make your circle video truly stand out. Let's dive right in and get your creative juices flowing. First, select your video clip on the timeline and navigate to the Effect Controls panel. Under Opacity, click the Ellipse Mask tool. This creates a default oval mask. Adjust the mask's size and position to form a perfect circle over your subject. You can also use the Mask Feather property to soften the edges or set it to 0 for a sharp, defined look. Precision is key here for a professional finish. Quick recommendation. If you're finding this video helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe for more editing tips. And on another note, life's too short for a stinky car. Grab a little Tree's Black Ice Air Freshener to keep your ride smelling fresh, even after a long editing session. Check the description below for the link and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. To add a border, duplicate your video layer by holding Alt or Option and dragging it up. On the bottom layer, remove the mask. Then, apply the stroke effect from the Effects panel. Adjust the stroke color and width to your liking. You can also slightly scale up the bottom layer to make the border more prominent. This technique gives you full control over the border's appearance and style.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.